in short, in today's reading, in Gemini, that is where the moon is, we learned that we are on a journey for integration. We want to become whole with ourselves emotionally and sovereign and become this high-level spiritual person. We do it through this journey. These are the tools in our toolkit. Some of them from the last reading showed up for us. We have a Tower moment, and we also have a Princess of Wands moment in that Tower. We then come out the Ace of Wands, continue to have some encounters, which will then set us free into a Prince of Wands state of creation. And we got to integration, which is the ultimate outcome and where we need to be in order to become the Hierophant.